back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be an ultimate clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning my entire house all day long because it is a disaster today. I pulled Baylee's drawers in here so I could switch out and put her fall clothes in there. I have a load of laundry started. I need to go make my bed. I have a lot of stuff to do today. So I hope that you guys come along with me and watch me clean, or maybe clean yourself. I don't want this intro to be too long, so without further ado, let's get started. Hey! Hey! So I just washed a bunch of this, so I'm going to go ahead and put all of this up, but I wanted to show you guys what I've done so far. So in this first drawer, I just have some like onesies and a little bit of pajamas. I have a lot more because most of her pajamas are in this pile right here. And then in the second drawer, I just have some little sweatshirts and some t-shirts and long sleeves. And then in this bottom drawer down here, I just have all of her pants, and literally there's so many pants. So I'm actually going to go through these and put them in these two baskets here.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just.
Okay guys, so Baylee's asleep and that means I can get some real stuff done now. So I'm going to put together this shower caddy in my shower. I'm so excited, and I actually have a 10% off discount code for you guys. It is Madison with 2 N's. I'll pop it up right here on the screen, and the link will also be linked down below, so you guys can just click on that and get 10% off of your order so that you can get a shower caddy too. I'm gonna put it together for you and show you, and it is honestly, I'm so excited because I have 0 room in my shower and I need so much more room. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just lay all of the parts out so that I can put the shower caddy together. So I have all of my supplies here, and it looks very simple to put together. I'm going to look over the instructions really quick, and then I'm going to put it right here and show you guys how it looks. Okay, let's get started. So next, I'm just finding my little rubber piece that goes on the bottom of the pole and just gonna stick that on there so that I can start putting my poles together and my baskets on there. You actually need 3 or 4 poles depending on the height of your ceiling. It comes with 4, so you'll have everything that you need, but in my case I only needed 3. And then you just slide the little rubber pieces on there, and then you can slide the basket on the rubber pieces, and it's so sturdy. I was actually surprised at how sturdy it was. And then you can adjust your baskets depending on how far apart you want them or how close you want them together. And then once you put all of your poles together and get your baskets on there, it just slides right in, and there's a little adjustment on the top. You can make it taller or shorter. So I got the shelf up. It was actually super easy to install if you read the instructions, and it's in there like really good. Like, it doesn't come out or anything. And so yeah, I'm gonna start putting my stuff on there. If you guys want to buy one of these for yourself, don't forget to use code Madison with 2 N's, and you will get 10% off of your purchase. So this is the new and improved shower with all the stuff on there. I absolutely love this. Don't forget to use code Madison with 2 N's. for 10% off of yours. I love this so much. It will be linked down below so you guys can grab one too.
We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt. But I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away. You know that I want you to stay, 'cause I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't run away, we can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Let's go to waste. I just wanna let you know I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. You, I wanna be with you. I hope that we can work it out, but I know that you have your doubts. I wanna be with you, don't you wanna be with me? I think about you night and day, and I just want you here with me. I wanna be with you, you know it is the truth. Don't run away, we can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Baby, you can stay up night. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. Work it out, wanna feel you close to me, wanna feel you close to me. Don't let this go to waste. Work it out, wanna feel you close to me, wanna feel you close to me. Feels like we're fading out, I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Feels like we're fading out, I'm losing you. Oh, can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste.